I am publishing my third officer crash course for our deck cadets and deck ratings who have little to no idea on how the job of a third mate is on board the ship. Sure, you can watch 60 to 70 or 80 of my videos here on my YouTube channel, but to save you time, okay, and energy, I have compiled this lesson for you to save you time, save you money, save you energy, and also I want you to be promoted during a quarantine, okay? Because a lot of companies today are desperate on finding a competent third officer. But then again, it's kind of difficult right now because everybody is in solitary confinement. I am here to guide you. So you will never experience having, Philip, I am so scared of getting the next promotion as a third mate. Philip, I am so afraid of grabbing the next recommendation as a third mate. Well, then again, fear not. I am here to guide you on your next duty. Okay? Again, being a third mate is not that difficult on board the ship. The reason why it's difficult is because you lack the knowledge. On this third officer crash course, I have compiled a series of lessons for you. May you have the wisdom that you have been searching, and I want you to be the next third officer of our country.